Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 ways of which you can use to make money on Fiverr. The ways I'm about to show you does not only work on Fiverr, but you can as well apply them on websites such as freelancer.com, upwork.com, and other freelancer marketplaces out there. You probably know about how you can actually make money with Upwork and freelancer and Fiverr is by signing up as a freelancer and offer your services and make money. But it's not that straightforward and it's not that easy to get people to buy your services. So this is why today in this video I've come up with 3 ways you can actually use to make money from these platforms. All right, so without wasting your time, let's begin. So I'm going to try to be as fast as possible as I can and make sure that you watch this video till the end because it's going to be worth it. So the first way of which you probably already know about how you can actually make money with Fiverr.com is signing up as a freelancer. All right, so you probably already know about this, so I'm not going to talk more about this. Okay, so this is where you sign up as a freelancer and offer your services there and you make money from there. So I'm not going to focus on this one much. I'm only going to focus on the last 2 parts, of which are the second one being is okay. So the second way you can actually make money on Fiverr or these other platforms is by doing drop servicing or by becoming a drop service. All right, so what is drop servicing? Okay, so I've talked about drop servicing in my past videos. Or so drop servicing is actually similar to drop shipping, but in this case we are drop service but in this case we're not doing this physical or digital products, we are doing with services. So drop servicing is actually a business model involving which involves selling a service which is carried out by someone else. So let me just repeat that. Drop servicing is actually a business model that involves selling a service that is carried by someone else. So let me give a good example. So let us say you have got a client who needs a website and you yourself, you're not a web designer. Okay, so what can you do? So what you can do is that you can actually go on Fiverr there, search up for some web designers, and what you're going to do is that you're going to act as if you're the middleman. But in this case, like, the client does not need to know that you're actually the middleman and you're not the one doing the website. So in this case, you can act as if you're a web designer, but what you actually do is you actually pay someone to do the job and you deliver directly. All right, so that's what drop servicing is all about. Is about offering services of which someone has to do them and you both make money. So how can you make money drop servicing on Fiverr? So you cannot know all this stuff, like you cannot be everything, okay, but you can try by all means to learn a lot of things. So let us say someone needs a service that you do not provide. So this is where drop servicing comes in, whereby you can actually hire someone to do the job and deliver and make money. So now let me just give you some tips you can use if you'd like to become a good drop servicing person. So how do you begin drop servicing? So the first point when it comes to drop servicing is, first of all, choose what you're going to be drop servicing in. Is it web designing? Is it graphic designing? Is it marketing? Is it social media management? Is it singing? Is it beat making? Is it anything? So choose something you know that this is going to work for me. So from there, what you need to do is, so the second thing you have to make sure you do is learn more about it. So for example, if you'd like to start drop servicing in web design, okay, hiring people to create websites for other people, you also need to learn about how websites are created, what is involved, such as hosting, domain names, email marketing, because if you start drop servicing in something which you do not know, it's going to be hard. For example, when your client asks you about something which you don't know, it's not going to sound professional and the client might lose interest in you. So the best way before starting drop servicing is that, even if you are not the one who's going to be doing the job, but at least learn what is involved, learn what it takes to build the website, learn everything involved, so that, for example, if you hire someone, if that person doesn't do the job well, you'll be able to know that this person has not done the job well, as compared to when you have no idea on what's happening. Okay, so the third thing you have to do is that you have to compare. So when you go on Fiverr, there are different people with different rates. So you may find someone is doing it cheaper, you may find someone is doing expensive. So what you need to do is that both of you need to make profit. So for example, if if a client has a budget of $500 for a website, and you go on Fiverr and you find someone who can create a website at $200, well, you'd probably go for that one and you'd remain with a huge profit, okay, for doing literally nothing. All right. But if your client has a budget for $500 and you hire someone on Fiverr who is going to do the job at $1,000, you're going to make a losses because you're going to spend more than what the client is providing. So make sure that you compare prices and analyze and see what you're going to get from there. All right. And the other thing you need to be is, okay, be transparent. Like, what I mean by be transparent is I don't mean that you should expose yourself that you are drop servicing. No. Once you tell a client that you're drop servicing, they'll lose interest in you because they'll be like, you don't know what you're doing. They'll find someone who will be able to do it. So in this case, never disclose that you're actually drop servicing because clients will go for other people. So what I mean by being transparent is that be transparent in fees. Make sure that your client knows all the fees involved and let them know when the due date for delivery and everything else. So yeah, so these are the things you need to know when it comes to drop servicing. So give it a try, it's going to work. So the last way is signing up as an affiliate. So platforms such as Fiverr has got an affiliate page where you can actually sign up and become an affiliate of Fiverr. So what happens when you create an affiliate account is that you'll be able to promote affiliate to other people who might be interested. For example, you can promote affiliate to companies and companies can hire people there to do some of the tasks. So when you promote affiliate, you're going to really make a lot of money. So let's just try to find out about this affiliate with Fiverr and see how much money we could make from it. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is to visit Fiverr and probably just scroll down. So we're going to click where it says affiliate and it's going to redirect to a different page which says boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. Okay, so we're also told that you choose your commission plan. You first join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr and start earning. So you can actually promote Fiverr for business, Fiverr logo maker, Fiverr affiliate, and Fiverr lane. So let's see the commissions. So with Fiverr, we can actually earn of about 15 to 150 commission, okay, per action, which is good. And there's the $10 cost per action plus 10% revenue share, which is for 12 months. So I think this one sounds better. Yeah. All right. So this is how much you can actually earn. So go through this and learn more. So this video is really going far. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.